Hi guys, I'm gonna show you what they're gonna add in the future in the new map, and they're gonna add a airplane or hovercraft or whatever you wanna call it. Cause Jesus Christ, it's the best. Okay, yeah, they're gonna add this airplane, and it looks like you can't shoot, which is a good thing because it would be so OP. And you can see that that's the airplane that we're gonna get on when we play a match. Yeah. And this is a promotion or whatever. When you enter a match, this comes up, something like that. And the new car, which looks amazing with the flames, but it looks like it's going to have more health. And you can see the boat that I showed in the past, and that's it. I was in a hurry, so sorry. Please like and subscribe.